What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my world. Today, me and my family and I are going to do the Bean Boozled challenge. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my world. Today, my family and I will do the Bean Boozled challenge. All the beans are in these eggs, and we're gonna rock, paper, scissors. Who picks the eggs first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, now rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, you go second.
Okay, Philly picks one of the pink eggs. These beans could either be Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
Hey, you put it in your mouth already? Okay.
Okay.
What'd you get? Tutti Frutti or Stinky Sock?
Does it taste like Stinky Socks?
I like it.
Then you probably got Tutti Frutti. I got Tutti Frutti.
I don't know what this tastes like, so I'm just. But this is Stinky Socks, it's okay. Okay. This lucky green one. Why are you laughing?
I don't know, green is not always good.
This could either be burger or juicy pear.
Which one, Billy?
Yeah, just say no. Okay, I'm scared.
Ready?
Okay.
Oh! Booger!
Yeah, that's burger.
Ew, not a single pear?
No, that's disgusting.
My turn.
The aftertaste.
I'll pick this one.
Aftertaste.
You ready? Baby wipes or coconut?
I got baby
Oh, I
wipes.
know that. I know this one. It's baby wipes.
This is baby wipes.
I got baby wipes.
This is definitely
think
baby
so.
wipes.
You think so?
I recommend. The baby wipes isn't that bad. It tastes pretty good.
Open it. I think it's skunk spray.
Oh.
It's more for peach. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
On 3. 1, 2, 3, go. I got peach.
I got peach.
You got bar. You got bar?
Yeah, I got peach. Yes.
It tastes like pop.
That one's good.
This is either what's that?
Berry blue or toothpaste.
This is like the easiest
Yeah.
one.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
That's good. I finally
I
got
have toothpaste.
berry
Me
blast.
too, I got toothpaste.
I got berry blast.
What?
That's nice. That berry blast is good.
Berry
I
blue.
got toothpaste.
Oh,
Berry blue.
I like berry blast better. Okay, Mom, don't make this bad.
I wanna get rid of this skunk spray.
I don't want to use the skunk spray.
We gotta get rid of it. Get it over with.
Oh.
Maybe this one?
Probably
Yeah, sure.
there's.
Of course, let me guess, it's skunk spray.
Ah!
Of course, you knew it.
I forgot where I put it in.
I don't want some of that.
This is either skunk spray or licorice.
1, 2, 3, go.
That's disgusting. Spit it out. That's disgusting. That is skunk spray.
Skunk spray, but it kind of tastes burnt.
No.
Yeah, that's definitely skunk spray.
It's not that bad.
She
That's
likes
a
skunk
different-
spray, guys. She likes skunk spray. Philly, you pick an egg.
No. Knock.
Who's there?
Rotten eggs and buttered popcorn.
Give me caramel popcorn, please.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3.
I have popcorn.
Ugh, I got rotten eggs.
I don't even know if that's egg or popcorn. That's
I have
disgusting.
popcorn.
I don't know.
Bah.
I have popcorn.
I'm pretty sure that's egg.
It's not.
disgusting.
Oh, I can smell that caramel. Moldy cheese or caramel corn. Ready? 1, 2, 3,
Give me
go.
popcorn.
Oh, moldy cheese. Moldy cheese.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
No.
The last two aren't that
clippings? I
bad.
don't think we did long clippings yet.
The long clippings aren't that bad. I ate grass once.
Canned dog food or chocolate pudding?
I'm not trying it.
Give me some
We're
chocolate
almost
pudding.
done.
Give me chocolate too.
Give me chocolate. 1, 2, 3, go.
That's not chocolate.
I don't know yet.
That's not chocolate. That's dog food. Is that what really? Is that what dog food tastes like?
I think I got dog food. What you?
Yeah, that's dog food.
Yum, yum.
You don't know?
Definitely
It
pick
tastes
those.
like chocolate.
You sure?
Or he likes the taste of dog food.
Okay.
Last green egg. Open it, Philly. Long clippings or lime?
Okay, I don't think this is gonna be that bad. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah. Grass. Healthy. I'm gonna finish this.
I
This
think
is
I
not
got long
that bad.
clippings too. It's not that bad.
I got
I
grass.
think gosh.
Grass.
I like
It's
grass.
pretty nice.
I think we should. Ah, there's only 1 toothpaste left.
I like toothpaste.
That was a challenge, guys.
Yuck.
If you liked it and you want to see more, comment down below and like this video. Subscribe too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell when you're done subscribing. Bye.
Bye, Billy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good night.